Coding involves writing instructions in a programming language to create software, applications, websites, and other digital solutions. It's essentially the process of telling a computer what to do through a series of commands or statements. Coding is used to solve problems, automate tasks, and bring ideas to life in the digital world. If you're a beginner looking to create a script for a YouTube video about coding, here's a simple outline to get you started. Introduction. Introduce the concept of coding and its importance in today's digital world. Explain how coding is used to create software, apps, websites, and more. Highlight the relevance of coding skills in various career paths. Choosing a programming language. Briefly discuss popular programming languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, and more. Explain that the choice of language depends on the project's goals and the learner's interests. Getting started. 1. Learning resources. Mention online platforms like Codecademy, Coursera, edX, and Khan Academy, which offer coding courses for beginners. Suggest using YouTube tutorials and coding websites to learn the basics. 2. Setting up the environment. Walk through the process of installing a code editor, e.g., Visual Studio Code, and necessary tools. 3. Hello World. Show a simple example of printing "Hello, World" in a chosen programming language. Explain the basic syntax of the language, such as how to write comments, variables, and functions. Key concepts. Introduce essential programming concepts, such as variables, data types, loops, and conditional statements. Explain how these concepts are used to create more complex programs. Building a mini project. Choose a small project idea, such as a basic calculator or a to-do list application. Walk through the process of designing the program, breaking it into smaller tasks, and coding each part step by step. Debugging and problem solving. Emphasize the importance of debugging to identify and fix errors in code. Provide tips for effective problem solving, like using online resources and asking for help in coding communities. Practice and learning path. Encourage viewers to practice coding regularly to improve their skills. Mention the significance of personal projects and contributing to open-source projects to gain real-world experience. Conclusion. Recap the main points discussed in the video. Motivate viewers to start their coding journey, highlighting that coding is an accessible skill that anyone can learn with dedication. Remember that this is a basic outline, and you can tailor it to your specific style and audience. Make sure to provide engaging examples, visuals, and interactive elements to keep your viewers interested. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.